Good afternoon. It is May the 22nd, 2025. And I thought I saw a Puddy cat. I did. Look right there. There's a Puddy cat. There's Tweety Bird and Sylvester right there. That's the Tweety Bird and Sylvester cruise ship here in Genoa, Italy. And right next to that, there's the Superman cruise ship. Can't make those things up. Right here in Genoa City. Haven't ever seen them before with all my cruising, but here we are in Genoa, Italy. So it's a beautiful place. They always have the great looking pastel buildings. So anyhow, till then, subscribe to my channel. I thought I saw a Puddy cat. Y'all have a really good day.